Today, I'll show you how to create a plain window opening effect in CapCut PC. This effect makes it look like you're peering through a plain window as it opens to reveal your scene. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for plain window. Once you find it, drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Right away, you'll see a circular zoom effect applied to your video. Now, let's fine tune it. Open the right side editing panel where you'll find a few key sliders. Glow adds a soft glow around the edges of the effect for a smoother transition. Size adjusts how big or small the window effect appears. Speed controls how fast the effect animates. Play around with these settings to create the perfect plain window opening effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut PC tips.